Welcome! If you're looking to export all videos from a chat on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to save every video from a conversation, so you can keep your favorite memories or important files safe on your computer. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Telegram desktop app installed on your PC. If you haven't done this yet, head to the official Telegram website and download the desktop version. Once it's installed, log into your Telegram account using your phone number or QR code. Now, open the Telegram app and navigate to the chat from which you want to export videos. This can be a one-on-one conversation, a group chat, or even a channel. Click on the chat to open it. Next, look at the top of the chat window and click on the name of the contact or group. This will open the contact or group info panel on the right side of your screen. In the info panel, you'll see 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Export Chat History. A new window will pop up, allowing you to customize what you want to export. Here you'll see several checkboxes for different types of media. Make sure to check the box labeled Videos. You can also adjust settings like the date range or file size limit if needed. But for most people, leaving the default settings works just fine. Once you've selected Videos, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. Telegram will start preparing your export. For security reasons, the first export may take up to 24 hours to process. After this period, you'll receive a notification, and you can then download your exported videos directly to your computer. That's it. You've successfully exported all videos from your chosen Telegram chat. Now you can access your videos anytime, even offline. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need it too. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.